Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Python on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and search for Python and open the link from python.org. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Python. So to download, just click on downloads and here you will find download the latest version of Windows, that is Python 3.9.1. To download Python, simply click on this button. Here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time, so wait until the download process complete. After the download has been completed, just open the file. So here we have the installer window, so let me minimize the browser. So here we have the installer page. You can see Python 3.9.1 64-bit. Here you can see, here we have two download options. One is install now and another one is custom installation. So if you want to customize your installation, then you can simply click on customize installation. Before that, make sure to check this box at Python 3.9 to path. I will suggest you to do the custom installation. Here simply click next and here you can select some advanced option. So I will install it for all users. So by selecting this option, if you had multiple users assigned to your Windows system, then that user can also use your Python setup. And here we have the installation location. So this is the default location where Python 3.9.1 is going to install. So if you want to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button. And from here, you can select your location. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see Python is successfully set up on our system. So if you want to check some online tutorial about Python, then here you can click on online tutorial. Or if you want to check some documentation regarding Python 3.9.1, then you can check the documentation. If you want to see what's new in latest release, you can click on what's new. So for now, let me close this window. Now let us check whether our Python is successfully set up on our system or not. For that, simply search for Python 3.9. So here we have the Python application. Just run your Python application. So here we have the Python application. Now let us run a simple program using Python. So let us print hello world. To run this program, simply hit on enter. So here you can see hello world. Similarly, you can print other statement. Say for example, welcome to the thecoderworld YouTube channel. Now to run this program, simply hit on enter. So here you can see welcome to the thecoderworld YouTube channel. So let me close this window. You can also write your Python using Python IDLE. For that, simply search for Python. You will get a Python folder. Just open this folder and inside this folder you will get an option called Python IDLE. So this is the Python shell. Just open this. Here we have the Python IDLE shell. Here also you can do your Python programming. So let us print hello world using Python. In Python IDLE shell, first of all you have to save the file. For that, simply click on file, then click on save and select your location. So let me save it on desktop and here just provide your file name. Say for example, demo. And here just simply select Python file. Here you can see here we have the Python demo file. Okay, now to run this file, simply hit on enter. Okay, so this way you can set up Python on Windows 10. Now if you want to set up an IDE for Python, then we had already made a video on how you can set up Python on Visual Studio Code. So you will get the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.